Yo, what's up YouTube? So I was gonna shoot an exhaust video showing you how to put the Megan downpipe on, but I end up rounding the bolts off on that, so I won't be doing that video. I'm gonna have to go to the shop and see if they can cut those bolts off or something, because I can't get it done right now. But what I am gonna do, or attempt to do today, is try to replace my traction rods on my GS300. So what I have here are these traction rods from Megan. Let me get them out here. Yeah. So these right here. Look pretty good. What sold me on these was the bushings. Looked at another brand, the bushings looked like, they didn't look that great. I think it was Godspeed actually. You can see there, the bushing looks decent. But yeah, today I'm going to try and install these. Okay, after you have the wheel off, to get more access to the bolt that's on the other side of the traction rod here, we need to take this cover off right here. There's one screw here, and then there's one up underneath it. You undo those out, and you can remove this panel here. I did it prior, but yeah. So then that will expose a bolt. I don't know if you guys can see that, it's right there. Let me get up in there. Okay, so that bolt right there, that wet one, I just sprayed down. And then the other one, which is right behind the brake caliper. Camera's having trouble focusing, but yeah, right there. So I'll need to undo those two bolts, and then I can pull that one out. Since this bolt here is kind of hard to get to, I'm going at it from the bolt side, not the nut side, just because I don't have enough leverage to get my wrench on the bolt. If you don't have an impact wrench or impact gun, it'll probably be helpful to get one. I just recently got that one, so it's making these things a lot easier to do. Okay, this one was pretty tight. I was going at it for a minute, but I think it's coming loose now. There we go. Now, still kind of awkward at this angle to get to it. I was hitting it on both sides, but it's finally loose now. I think. Yeah. And these are 17 millimeters, by the way. Did batter that nut quite a bit, but angle. There's a nut for that one. That bolt right there. Actually looks a lot better than the one that's down here. It should come out. Yep. There's the old one. Okay, here's a new one, old side by side. Very similar. What I did there was put the nut or the bolt right through both of them, because I need to make sure they're both the same length when I put this one back in. So I'm going to line it up like that, and then as I can see here, you guys can see the holes don't match up, so I need to extend it just a little more till both of those holes line up. See there, I can't see the other side. I'll put it to the light actually. So I have to extend the new arm just a little bit until that hole lines up. Okay, I got the new arm adjusted now. Zoom out some. Okay, so you can see I still have that common center point there, hole to hole. And then down to there, they're pretty even. So when I turn this sideways, you should see perfectly through. Yeah, this camera does just not want to focus right now. But yeah, the hole goes straight through that end too. So now they're both more or less the same length. And then now I can put the new one back in the car. And install is pretty much the reverse. So we'll take our new arm here and we'll insert it back up into the previous one's position. Take your nut, stick it back over there, and tighten it back down. Okay, now that's in. Okay, another note, don't tighten both of those down completely just yet. Get both of them in first, and then when you have them in, then you can go ahead and tighten them down completely. And then same for the adjustable nuts right here, and then up here. Also tighten those down too. And now all that's left is to put the wheel on and let the car down, and we're good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, want to see more, go ahead and like, subscribe.